大家好，今天是美国很重要的一个节日——感恩节。我跟 Ari 又来到了他的父母家来过这个感恩节。今天早上呢，丈母娘给我做了这个炒饭，因为她知道我是中国人，不太习惯吃美国的早饭，所以她就给我准备了这个，非常的贴心。
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Are you making coffee?
Yes. 你喜欢你的咖啡吗？
咖啡很好喝，好不好吃
？Sure, we put hot sauce on it.
Ari 现在喜欢吃辣了，每天吃饭都要配上辣椒。我忘记了老干妈，对不对
This is the Thanksgiving Day parade.
In New York City. And
Yeah.
I've been watching it every year since I was a little boy.
Dad, what are you making this?
This, I'm cooking the Thanksgiving turkey.
Oh wow. Wow, this is huge.
Yeah. We just got this air fryer. And so right now I'm going to make you guys bacon asparagus. I'm preheating this so when I make it, it'll already be warm.
Oh, nice. What are you doing, Ari?
So we're helping set up the houses, the Christmas houses.
Wow, so many. Those cute things. Oh, you put lighting
Lights
time.
light up.
That's so cute. Ari 他现在在准备把这些东西放到上面去装饰一下。
I've helped Mom do these ever since I was little.
So I got some bacon, and this bacon was on sale for $2.99.
That's
wrap
cute.
it. I like to get the skinny ones. This one's kind of thicker, so I just used one.
Yuki.
Yuki.
She does not let me do that.
小米 Yuki。
All right, you guys made him.
很有意思。
Okay.
我的老公和爸爸在做饭。
Alright. Alright.
Bring your dish. So, hey, we'll see if it's done then.
Great job.
You did it pretty tight.
Nice.
It come apart.
So everyone can learn this.
This is the best, these little parts.
Oh my. 好吃吗？好吃。我来尝一尝这个。
Okay, he made the, yeah, just the top. You like that?
好吃。Wow, this one is better than the baked asparagus. Cheers! So good.
Perfect.
Hello. So
I'm
cold.
freezing.
今天非常冷。So we are going to the downtown to buy some Chinese food.
Yes. Eat Chinese food.
This is the coldest day so far.
Yeah. This is 23 degrees, so it's 7 degrees below freezing.
Happy Thanksgiving! 好啦，现在我们来这个亚洲超市买一些食材，明天准备做一些中餐，给家人尝一尝。Ari!
好吧。
Okay, this is the market we're gonna go. Pan Asia. 丈母娘也过来买了。What did you get, Dad?
This is coconut water.
Uh-huh.
This is for when I make my Asian food. Turmeric powder.
Cute.
And this is, I don't know what this is. Is this in Chinese?
番石榴. Yeah, 番石榴
Is that
candy.
Chinese?
Yeah, it's a Chinese. What do you got?
Sorry, and she
Ah.
already ate it through the store.
We got all this.
She already opened it and ate it.
I got all the ingredients, lettuce, and 酸菜、皮蛋。我想让老丈人尝一尝中国的皮蛋，然后还买。
They're gonna eat it.
You don't think they?
don't know.
I think they will try. I also got some fish, 鲳鱼。
Okay.
Huh?
Can we get some of this?
Yeah.
Is this what we had, right?
早餐下饭。
We got a Thanksgiving gift for the Chinese New Year.
That's so cute.
That's really cute, actually. So Jay, this market's owned by a Chinese family, right?
That's cool.
All right.
All right. Everything is good. Do you still want something?
I'm good. I got my bubble tea. I'm happy.
Okay, let's go. 我们从这亚超买了东西之后呢，老丈人说我们要来看一下市中心。Where are we going, Ari?
We're going to see the city light up for Christmas.
Wow.
You guys decide if you want to go down to the crowd or if you want to watch it from the rooftop.
Good. Wow, 那里有直升机。
So we can walk down right there to the street. 有些人他们会带这个烤火的东西。That's very smart. 老丈人跟Ari他们都在嘲笑这个唱歌的水平。Is it good? Dad, is it good?
，Jay's just trying to stay warm.
我们看完了这个烟花和演出，现在跟老丈人还有丈母娘来酒吧里坐一下，来了很多人。我们准备在这吃点东西。You happy tonight?
开心。
现在我们准备吃这个感恩节大餐。
Feels a flash, the homies got that.